Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will solve another interesting problem to find the second largest number in a list. So let's dive in and solve this step by step. So our goal is to find the second largest number in a given list. For example, if the input list is like 12, 35, 1, 10, 34 and 1, the largest element is 35 and the second largest is 34. So we need to print 34 as output. So like that, if all numbers are same, there is no second largest number, and the input contains less than two elements, like the list contains less than two elements, then we can print it's not valid since we cannot find the second largest number in it. So let's start coding. I will just code it first, then I will explain it line by line. First, numbers equal to list of map of int comma input dot split. Then if len of numbers less than 2, then we can print the list should have at least two distinct numbers. The list should have at least two distinct numbers. Length of number less than 2, else unique numbers equal to list of set of numbers. If length of unique numbers less than 2, print there is no second largest. You can print there is no second largest number, else we need to like unique numbers dot sort, then reverse equal to true. It will sort in descending order. Then second largest equal to unique numbers of 1, then we can print the second largest number is second largest. So let me explain this step by step. We take a single input from the user. For example, if the user input like 12, like this 12, 35, 1, 10, then 34 and 1, like this, the split method here converts the input into a list of strings. The map method converts each string into an integer. Finally, the list creates a list of integers. So the split method converts the input into a list of strings, the map function converts each string to an integer, and finally the list creates a list of integers. Then this condition here checks if the list has less than two elements. We cannot find a second largest number in such cases, so we will print a message and stop. And then in the else condition we use a set to remove all the duplicate numbers in the list. For example, in this there is 1 as a duplicate number, so we will remove 1. Then in this condition, if we check the number of unique element is less than 2, it means all the numbers are same and there is no second largest number, so we will print there is no second largest number there. Then we sort the list of unique numbers in descending order. For example, after using the sort method, we will get 1, 10, 12, 34 and 35, and it becomes, after sorting, it becomes 35, 34, 12, 10 and 1, which will help us to find the second largest number easily. So to extract the second largest number, we use like the second largest number is the second element in the sorted list, so it's easy if we sort it. So the second largest number is the second element. For example, in our input, the second largest number is 34. Okay, so finally we will print the second largest number. So let's run this. We need to get 34 as the output. Yes, we are it. The output is correct. Let's give two numbers, 10 and 20. It should result 10 as the second largest number. Let's give same number and it should print there is no second largest number. Yeah, there is no second largest number. Let's give one element and it should print this list should have at least one distinct numbers, and the code works exactly fine. So that's how we can find the second largest number in a list using Python. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video, and as always, happy coding.